Have you ever dreamed of stumbling upon a cascade so untouched it feels like a secret shared only with the earth itself? Albania, a hidden gem in the Balkans, is home to breathtaking waterfalls that remain blissfully off the beaten path. From the enchanting Bogova waterfall near Berat to the surreal beauty of Sotira waterfall in the Gramsh region, these natural wonders are perfect for the adventurous soul. Pack sturdy walking shoes, bring a picnic to enjoy by the crystal clear streams, and don't forget your camera. These are sights worth sharing. Ready to uncover Albania's hidden beauty? Let's chase waterfalls together.